Chicken and Backwoods freshman, class of 23, the Cypher. Hey, yo, Renz, drop some fly player shit, man. You already know what time it is, man. Last Cypher, we went East Coast. This time, we bring it back home to the motherfucking South. Rest in peace, Gangsta Boo. 3-6, what up?
Pull up, boom, yeah, I hope there's no ceilings in this hoe. I ain't cocky, but I'm popping, and I gotta let them know. Don't rest Escobar with foe, that's make you down like dominoes. Pulling up to clear the smoke, like fuck you talking on me, foe. Not the type of bitch that you wanna diss, hoe, we could box it out. Middle of the club, jam around, I got my Glocky out. You run your mouth, I keep it solid. Spot my blunt and crying, darling. Playboy shit, I'm from the island, no Haitian jet, like all my niggas black. With no strings attached, so I could send them back to where I picked them at. Okay, I'm rolling on this weed, I seek mental reprieve. I can't sleep properly, they let my brother out of jail and picked him up within a week. Gotta be anxiety or a side effect of broccoli, cause I'm a mass play on my leg. Oh my God, can't catch a break. They gave him 6, should've took it straight. His PO wanna fucking play, like dog she violate my brother cause he 20 minutes late. For BSO and who run it? It's Cat.
Hey, niggas getting conned over my last name like my first name was a mirror or something. Lindsay Lohan, I tried like a parent. Traded grasshopper for carrots. Fuck nigga try to do a drop by on the 9-5 asking Jesus to stare at something. Tables, ladders, and chairs or something. I'm losing weight eating pears or something. Birds of a feather might fly together until I put a bullet hole in the parrot or something. I gotta make sure it's sterile. I just got my license to carry. Gun in the arm race, probably I would not rest. Plus I'm gotta reach it for the air or something. This biggest upset in the process on the dog like the turtle in the hair or something. Came with a drum, not a snare, trumpet. How you end up being a parent to someone? How you gonna leave who you love for cheating? Guess we never learn how to share something. My first attack is a lair, but I tackle when I get near to something. Should've seen Thomas in jail, just like Jesus in the field. I see my soul in the mirror this morning. You do not talk from experience, homie. Niggas taking off guard pics and walks with my bitch like I'm having an affair or something. Ain't consistent and will not miss, whether it's a duck or a hare I'm hunting. Niggas making diss song about me taking they bitch, just want me to care something. I got black tie holes inside of your workhouse, make an appearance, homie. Too tall to fit in a McLaren, but that'll give him something to stare at. I used to trap in front of marathon, which specific is not your concern. Don't wait too late to make amends, even Spider-Man couldn't save Uncle Ben, and that's
you know
fact.
I'm bopping in this bitch, I got my Glock too. Slawta cut through street sweep, play don't end up on the news. See, that's what we known to do. Place you at your funeral, then go to trial and beat it too. That's another drop for some other time when I get at you. Speaking on back life, this come with a hell of a price tag. Stay ready, compact with an extra mag. Won't smoke that your pride gon' be the gas. I'ma smoke his ass. Love fair your bad. While I'm up, penthouse suite, watch bird fly pass. Slow the bag like, huh? Keep it batty on side. It's your bagging like mine. That pussy so fire, feel like hell inside. Beefing with who? Boy, we steppin' too. If I shoot, they shoot. Ain't no missing you. Just your family do. R.I.P. That's for the streets. Ain't no love out there. Cold nigga, better keep your heat. Cause this shit ain't fair. Young jits, they be stretching shit. Gotta stay aware. Moving swift on my pivy pill. Hustle hard and disappear.
Hey, I'ma tell you right now, yo. We don't see none of them other music platforms. Put your platform against our platform. We gon' shred them. Paper shred them. I'm talking about confetti shred them. Big chicken and Backwoods. Wake your ass up and get some money.
Go, running to the money, no picture. I'm a bad dog, I bite no liquor. Poon say one word, I'ma get her. The hot girl gon' make you shiver. Competition, I don't see none. Unless I'm looking in the mirror, bitch. All I need is one shot. And I ain't talking about no liquor. She so pretty and she little, call her pressure. And we gon' stop the y'all if you think you got some steppers. Never ever trust a bitch with too many questions. It's a setup. Scary bitch gon' use that taser for she wanna put her set up. Let's go. Fucking load the chopper, call her Becky. She gon' really blow. How the fuck is it on sight when I don't see a fucking soul, bitch? This ain't Harlem Nights. We ain't shooting at no toes. Some chicken and Backwoods, all I need on the road. Who ass nigga don't call me sis, bitch. We is not kin. Niggas only keep it 50. That's why I can't trust too many men. Like wait, hold up. Please don't get me pissed. Fly out the Pompeii and Slawta the bitch like. Hold up. Who else wants some? Who else wants some?
Now you know goddamn well, y'all ain't got enough. Don't fuck with us. You goddamn know it. You could try, but you would die. In this rap shit, you understand? Ain't no friends in this industry. Chicken and Backwoods.
Who else wants some? We on go.
We the running, no problem. You got a problem, I solve them. Coming from a situation, no pot to piss in. Now I got a stall in the kitchen. Don't give a fuck if you not in my mentions. I carry the torch like they calling me Liberty. I don't see no one ahead of me. Ain't no one stacking these chips. Pockets not full of that celery. Used to be home pathetic. No one at home sympathetic. Now I'm embedded. Mama kept the rule like going. No one I know ever knowing. Now I'm indebted. I ain't been home in a minute. Goddamn, I'm busy. Going on tour in different states. They know my name. Goddamn, I'm the hottest in the city. Yeah. I just be doing my own thing. gang. Don't got a stylist, like I buy it. I just be letting my hair swing. Yeah, they talking like this in a mind game. Changing the views, switching my lens. Bitch, get the fuck out of my frame.
Pompeii in the hood with thieves and crooks. Jury causing crooks. Foot be on they necks, so they can't take a look. In a race, eyes out to the face. Roll them like a wood. Demonstrate niggas with demon traits. Get them gone for good. Who run it? That shit sounds so redundant. I spun a grip on my image. You oughta know how I'm coming. Fuck shit ain't want it, I'm with it. Mine on a million and something. I came from nothing to something. Clutching and stunting with cousin. G2C by my stomach. Busy like bees, I be buzzing. I'm on a whole nother level. Heating up like an oven. Number one out the dozen. Off top, no discussion. Off the top, no concussion. Just out here trying to function, no doubt. Go talk with Lamb. Talking about chicken, gotta go get it. I'm on a mission for millions. Fuck your emotion and feelings. Fly like a pigeon, I'm in the jungle with snakes. Lions, gators, apes. Better play it safe. Where I'm from, most cannot relate. Kid.
Trap time rap, I'ma kill this beast. Slim Fetti really in the streets. It ain't no short stop on my block. When you serving up them rocks. Oh shit, here comes the cops. So take a come and hide the rocks. Last week slid on my op, a nigga played, I spun his block. Niggas claim they real with the iron, but they some iron bitches. Put your iron like Iron Man. Fuck around and be a diamond man. In my hood, I call the shots, and yes, I really run the block. R.I.P. my brother, Fat Poppy, you know this shit don't stop. Throwing up my PSC, and bitch, I rap that DPG. And yes, I am a Fetti boy, this music shit I'm making noise. Shout out the chick in the Backwoods, but I be smoking no grabber. Who got the sour? I'm trying to smoke on the loudest. I'ma switch up the cadence, eat the beat. Show you haters you can't fuck with me. This rap shit too easy to me. Slim Fetti by his business beat. Standing 10 toes strong on my own, and yes, I'm sucker free. Shout out to my nigga Lamborghini Law, he picked the beat. I cook the beat like a dope boy. 16 bars a straight drop. Bitch, this ain't no re-rock.
Ayo, we out of town. We get down and around like gum on the ground. Do you know what I'm saying? We outside for real. We ain't in no square. We ain't running in no circles. We stake the stage. Chicken and backwoods, nigga.
Who else want some? We on go.
Theo, we love you.